lack of product stability, a sure way to waste money on software development. I often came across projects on freelancer platforms with description like project is 99% complete, need a professional to finish it in one day. Reading further, I'd find out that the app was supposedly complete with just a few issues to resolve, list included, and the previous developer had vanished. When I was young and inexperienced, I eagerly took on such projects. Why not finish something in a day, earn quick money, and build a great reputation on the platform? But then I started to wonder, strange, if it was only a day worth of work left, why didn't the previous professional finish it? What was the catch here? Let's dig deeper. You found a contractor. You liked everything about them and you started working together. That excitement of starting work in a new startup. In the first demo, the contractor doesn't show much, but that's okay. The team has just started and they'll pick up the pace later. By the second demo, there is something to test, a few bugs that, according to the developer, are easy to fix. By the third demo, big features are done. Great. Project progress is visible. Great. But now there are more bugs. It's time for a serious talk with the contractor, because fixing these bugs takes time. Was time allocated for it in the project? If so, great. But if not, where will the time come from? And who will cover the cost of fixing these bugs? Okay, let's assume time was budgeted and the contractor promises to fix them by the next demo. A few weeks pass, fourth demo, new features, bugs from the previous demo fixed, everything seems great, the project is back on track. But now we notice new bugs and features that were completed weeks ago. Maybe you just missed them before. You check the previous build and confirm 2 weeks ago this feature worked fine and now it doesn't. A bug that appears in a feature that was previously tested and worked well is called regression. A high number of regressions is a clear red flag when working with a contractor. Lack of stability from one demo to the next is a sign that the contractor isn't paying enough attention to testing and product quality. Remember, in previous episodes, we discussed the importance of having a complete team with testers, so issues are caught by testers before demos, or, heaven forbid, before your users find them. The indicator here is straightforward. Ask the project manager for a report on the known bugs in the product. Request a breakdown of which bugs are new and which are regressions. Check this report in every project iteration. If the bug count and regressions are increasing, welcome to the How to Waste Money on the Software Development Club. Very soon that's you who may be posting a project on a freelancer platform that says 90% complete, need a professional to finish. Why does this happen? Imagine your project deadline is approaching and you have a product in hand, but it's low quality with critical bugs in every feature. Launching with these bugs would be foolish. Your first users will immediately leave. You ask for a complete list of bugs and an estimate for fixing them, only to see that the time required to fix these issues is creeping up to the original project timeline. And there is a big question: who's going to pay for these fixes? After all, you need a developer who needs to be paid, a project manager who needs to be paid, and a tester who needs to be paid too. Who will pay for it? You as a client, welcome to the club. The contractor, of course, will be thrilled, doubling their budget. But if the contractor can't manage the number of regressions, there is a high chance that even with a bigger budget, you won't get a quality product at all. If, however, you expect the contractor to cover these fixes, In most cases, they will blame the project failure on you and stop communicating. You'll be left with a product labeled 99% complete, just 1 day left to finish. So go ahead and finish it yourself. This is why lack of stability in each demo is a major red flag. Of course, every developer makes mistakes. The difference lies in how often they make them and how they handle them. Here are some clues to distinguish a reliable contractor from an unreliable one. An unreliable contractor, first, doesn't test their code. Second, tries to hide quality issues. Third, delays bug fixes indefinitely. Fourth, doesn't automate testing. Fifth, doesn't do code reviews. Now, when I see a project labeled 99% complete, just 1 day left, I understand that the previous developer vanished because of the huge load of issues they left behind. I don't take on such projects unless I can test them myself, conduct a code review, and understand the full scope of the problems. On the positive side, in my company Design and Test Lab, we follow the mantra "we don't write code without tests." Yes, exactly. It's not just a process or a rule, but a mantra. In our Kharkiv office, we have hung a poster about the coffee machine that reads, "We don't write code without tests." So that as the developer makes coffee, they repeat to themselves, "We don't write code without tests. We don't write code without tests. We don't write code without tests." Everyone on our team writes automated tests. Developers write unit and integration tests. And QA engineers write security and end-to-end tests that mimic typical user scenarios. The number of tests on some projects has exceeded tens of thousands of tests. These tests run daily and cost only a few dollars in machine time. Within hours, we know how stable our product is and if there are any new regressions. If there are regressions, the developer must fix them immediately rather than putting them off. Our testing team won't accept the next version from the developers if it contains regressions. To summarize the key points. First, regularly review test reports. How many bugs are currently known? How many of these are regressions? The second, regularly test the product or delegate testing to an external organization like our company Design and Test Lab to uncover any issues hidden from you. The third, reliable contractors use automated tests to make the testing process more cost-effective. If you need help testing your product, setting up automated testing processes, or fixing an already problematic project, I'll be happy to help you. My contact information is in the description. Subscribe, comment, like, and send this video to your friend in the How to Lose Money on the Software Development Club. See you in the next videos. Goodbye.